In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out Instagram from all devices without changing your password. This works on iPhone and Android as well. Now, before I show you how to do this, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. I would appreciate that, and without further ado, let's just show you how you can log out from all devices. So you want to open the Instagram app, then you want to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, and next up you want to click on settings at the bottom. Then once you're here, you want to find security, which is right there for me under privacy, and then you want to click on login activity, which is under password. So click on login activity. Now right there you'll see where you're logged in. So as you can see right now, I'm logged in on two different devices. One of them is this Samsung, which is the phone I'm recording this video with, and then I also have an Apple iPhone, and I can then click on these three little dots at the right side of your screen and then click on log out. Click on OK, and there you go. That's how you can actually log out Instagram account from all devices. So if you're logged in, if you're signed in with like 5 different phones, you can click on the 3 horizontal lines and you can log out all of the devices, okay? And that's exactly how to log out Instagram account from all devices without changing your password. Now, if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. Comment down below that this works. Subscribe to the channel as well for more handy videos like this one. And then I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.